Hey, welcome back to Citizen Operating Systems, where we're always working to upgrade our software and our hardware to become better citizen operators. In this video, I'd love to share with you a brand new tool that I was just able to obtain in order to help me train and to be able to teach Stop the Bleed to other people. What is Stop the Bleed? Stop the Bleed, as far as the USA is concerned, is a national initiative to help bystanders understand how to respond to traumatic situations, especially traumatic bleeding. The fact of the matter is, a lot of people who go through traumatic injuries don't die because of the wound, they die because they have bled out. It takes 5 minutes or less for a grown human to bleed out, and a lot of times it takes 8 minutes or more for trained first responders to arrive. So the idea is, if you're the bystander, if you're there, if you can be that first person on the scene, there's a lot you can do with very simple tools to keep those people alive, to keep your community safe, and just to have a better understanding of what it takes to be prepared and to act. If you don't already know, I recently established Citizen Operating Systems as an LLC. That's right, I'm in business. And even though what I really want to do is provide self-protection training, self-defense, personal protection, security consultation, what I also really want to be able to offer the community is Stop the Bleed classes. It's important. We're on the scene. We're bystanders. We're there. And we can make a difference for people. So it's my pledge to always offer these classes for free. Donation-based, no minimum fees, only for free. So I have to thank the people who've already seen that message. I made an announcement on some other social media accounts, and I says, hey, this is what I'm going to be about. It's about to happen. If you want to donate to tools and materials, please do. And because of those people, I'm able to get this brand new tool. This is awesome, and I'm so stoked. So this is from Phokus Research Group, and I will take it out of its box because the box is not the training tool. The training tool is within the box, and it is a simulation wound trainer. So I'm going to pull that out here, pull this out. I've got this lovely sunset light, which makes it look very magical. It's going like, but hopefully seeing it closer. What you'll see here is a thick silicone cube with a few different wound profiles. In fact, there's 5 different wound profiles. So some of these are lacerations. There's a laceration here, a pretty deep one, and then a more shallow one over here, and then some bullet track wounds. What you'll see in there is the pins. They supplied some thumbtacks to simulate the arterial bleed site to help people who are practicing and training simulate that. And if you don't know anything about stopping the bleed or wound training or anything like that, essentially this is a simulation for when you cannot use a tourniquet and you have to pack the wound with packing gauze, and that's how you're going to create a blood clot and stop the wound from bleeding. That said, I am actually not going to show you how to do that. I'll tell you why. The reason why is because I want you to go to a different video to watch how to do this. That video is by Medic Joe. Why would I want you to go to Medic Joe instead of just making my own video? Well, even though I know the skill, first of all, I want to spend some time practicing it with this new tool. And secondly, Medic Joe is awesome. He's so inspiring. He's a young human and is super passionate about taking care of people, about medical response, and about education around what we can do to help and save others. So that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to put the link to his video in my description. If I can find out how to make a cute little thumbnail for you to click upon to go to his video, I'm going to do that because I want everyone in the world to know who this person is, Medic Joe. And I just want to recognize him for all the awesome work he's doing and help him build his channel as well, which honestly is not much smaller than my own at this point, but it's not about the size or the viewers or the audience or whatever. It's about getting the information out there. In fact, I'm pretty sure Phokus sent him the tool, and they should. Everyone should send him all of the equipment because Medic Joe is amazing. So with that, thank you everyone who's contributed so that I could get this training tool. I've got a couple other training tools on the way, tourniquets, packing gauze, chest seals. So my goal is to be able to start running small classes within the next month for people, which I'm really excited about. Like, it's a horrible subject, it's a heavy subject, and it's a necessary one, especially if you are someone who cares, someone who wants to act. If you want to be a citizen operator, trauma care and stopping the bleed is at the top of the list. Okay, whether you are in a vehicle and you find an accident, or you're in that unlucky situation, that horrible situation where you might be a bystander to a shooting or something of that nature. I don't want to sugarcoat the situation. This is important work. This is heavy, dark stuff. And if we can learn these simple skills and if we can carry simple tools, we can make all the difference in the lives of other people. So, with that, thanks for tuning in. Please go check out Medic Joe's videos. Subscribe, watch the rest of the videos. Super good stuff there. And then otherwise, be safe, keep practicing, and peace.